back to my channel. Welcome back. Welcome. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. So, today I'm excited. I don't even know why. Well, I do know why. It's just a good fucking day. The vibes are just, lit. So yeah, why not? So I am so excited to show you guys how I set up my dressing room / walk-in closet. So I'm going to show you guys how I transformed the empty room to my dressing room. Now, I'm not investing anything into this dressing room simply because I'm not gonna live here forever. I didn't buy this apartment, but I did want to have, a neat and nice looking room where I can get dressed, pick out my clothing, and then anybody who knows me knows I just like everything organized where I can see everything and know exactly what I have. And if you guys want to see how I set it up, keep watching. Really just wanted to show you guys how it looked before and what it would look like after. See exactly how much shit I have. Excuse my language. But yeah, I want to show you guys just the before. Let me take you to my room so I can show you where the rest of the clothes are. Yeah, it's a lot. So pretty much what I've done is set up everything on rods, and then I have one shelf where I can put the folded clothes. In my room, I do have a dresser for my underclothes, and then I have, bodysuits and tops and things that are like a bit more difficult to fold. I have them also in the drawer. But yeah, I wanted to set it up decent, nice, where I can get to everything, see everything, and then, still make it look feminine and girly and cute and shit. So I am getting somewhere. As you can see the progress. Yep. And I still have this piece here. But I'm getting there. Have faith. Now I've kind of already started folding, and anybody who knows me knows how I get down. Progress, baby, progress. Yeah. So this was not a one-day process. I did want to take my time, make sure that everything was neat. I went through every piece of clothing. I dusted stuff off. I had to wash, do laundry, and, actually take my time to make sure that every single piece was in order. I threw away a few things and just kind of wanted to clear all my space and make sure it's a clean, nice, neat, sexy, classy, simple, and yeah. Keep watching to see the final look. So this is what we've come to thus far. I am still working on it. Started putting my stuff on the shelves. Got a lot to go, but keeping my head up, staying focused because it's worth it. So I am finally at the end. I'm not done yet, but I got everything on hangers. I'm gonna go through everything and make sure everything is set up by color. Finish stacking these shoes up. And here I'm gonna put my mirror, remove that. Those are my boots to go with the coats and jackets. And then here we have reds, blacks, whites, blues. These are supposed to go there. Folding, I am gonna do that as well, and I will be finished today. Today is the last day for this. So after 5 days of hard work, folding, hanging up, washing, drying, dusting, wiping, so yep, here we are. So, yep, that's what it looks like. And it's not much, but I'm so freaking proud of what I have, what I made it look like, all my hard work and effort. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys were able to, you know, see how your girl got that folding game on fleek. I'm just kidding. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got to see a little bit more of me. And be sure to follow me on Instagram to keep up with your girl. Please, please, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned because what's coming next, I'm telling y'all, it's only getting lit from here. I got some stuff like it's only gonna be popping. This is the location. Okay? Cool? Peace.